Hello, tree watching, tree watching. Okay, we're waiting for some more people. Welcome, everyone. Let's just wait a little bit. We have seven. Seven. Hi, Monica, Hillary. Hello, hello. 9. Hello, Amr. Hello. We're going to learn how to get your business online using the ordering editor today. This is the first lesson. I hope I hope this helps you a lot. And let's see how it goes. Hello, Hotco. You want to know how to log on your map builder to or I can help you with that at the end. Yeah. Let's take about 25 minutes. I will explain how to get your business online, and then I will jump onto the questions and help you with them for sure. Okay. This way we are just 10. 10 from now. 12. 30. 13. 15. Okay. 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 Let's just wait a little bit more so we can gather some more people here. Okay. How many are we now? 16. Okay, we have 16, 17. Let's see, we're starting at um, in four minutes. Just 4 more minutes. Okay, 16. Mm. 3 more minutes. The list on the end. No, Michael, it's just starting actually in 8 minutes. The time here was wrong. Let me change this like this. Hmm? 2 minutes. Mhm. We have we have 18 now. Hello everyone. Can anyone hear me good or you're something like a static or something? Just put a thumbs up in the chat. Yes. Just 1 minute. 1 minute to get this started. Okay, I hear you well. Everything. Christina, Deliani, Monica, Amar. Great. So let's get this started. First of all, thank you for being here. Welcome. Um, Today we're going to learn how to get your business online. By that I mean with one of the stores that you are going to have in your ordering editor, right? So first of all, let's getting you. For example, this is the demo, right? I'm going to use all demo credentials in the situation. When you get your installation, is going to be very similar. Just the layout will change, but the demo works perfectly, and I will explain you how to log in and everything. Okay, I'm gonna log in with the super admin credentials. You will get yours just when you get your installation. Let's see, email superadmin at ordering.co, password super if you want to try it. These are the demo business that we already have, but this time we are going to create a new one. So to do that, we have to go in my stores, in admin area, then click my stores, add business, name it, the new business. Put a slug on it, is the name that comes after the slash on your domain. New business commonly is the same name as your business. An email for the business owner, the person who is going to get the emails. I'm going to select a city. These cities are set up in your platform once this delivered. Let's try Fifth Avenue here in the address of the store. Okay, here. Now it's creating it. Now this is created, right? It's very important to have all your setup done, like the Google Maps API key and stuff. We ask for everything in the installation form, so be very, very careful about that. Here in your business layout as editor, you can add a logo, you can change the banner. Now we are going to create a new category. Let's say um, hamburger or just burgers, something like that. We add the category, then we have to add a product, cheeseburger. Then we have to set a price, and then we can set a description, right? For example, these are the best burgers on town. Then we add this specific product. Here we have the chance to drag and drop the the images. So I will just look for one in Google, just an image, because it's very easy just to drag and drop it. I will show you right now. Let's say, for example, um, I don't know which one. This one. Let's just grab this one just for the test. Okay, I will I will drop it. oh, I will drop it as the product here. Okay, and it will paste it very easily. So that's very easy to do. Now the important thing here and the most common mistake that we have to bear in mind at the time of creating this is that we have to add the business menus, right? So let's say all week menus. We add it. We have to add the product, I mean the category and the products. It's very important also to check the schedules. Here you set up the times that the store menu is going to be showing. You can add several menus because there are some stores that sell alcohol after certain times of day. So you can create several menus to achieve that. Right now we're going to leave it all open all day. We add this. Now we have the menu. Now we have to add a delivery zone. This delivery zone is in order to let the business know that the customer is inside the area that you are working on, that this store is working on, right? So let's add it, the new business delivery zone. The minimum price, the minimum purchase price that the customer has to buy to get delivered at that place, and the price of delivery. We're going to put you 0 and 2. Now is a very important part. Here at the top you have two choices, the circle or polygon zones. I'm going to draw a polygon right now. So you select the polygon that is here, start dragging, just like that, to cover the area that your business is going to be delivering into, right? Just something like that, and done. Now, if the customer is inside this area, he will see this business. If it is not, it won't show because the business, in example, it don't deliver there. So that's the way we created this. Um, Also, let's see. No, I don't have any. This is also, let's look for a burger logo so we can put it there. It's very easy. Um, you have to get your own logo, so that's very important to avoid any copyright or something. Just drop it here. It's safe, and it's the same for the banner. It's just very straightforward. You have to only drop it, and it'll show on the top on the front end for the customers. Let's check some more information here. Right now, the business owner will be business. Oh, we have a question. What about pickup? I don't need that to say radius on the map. Yeah, so we have to set a radius on the map because the burger place in the system has to know which area is covering. So that is why we ask for a delivery zone every time, so we don't uh, so the system works. We are working on improvement that will work kind of what you mentioned, Ahmed, that allows the customer just to see all the stores and the location. But we are going to release that in a further releases. I will let you know when that's done, so we can get it done like you need to. Let's move on. So business types, I will just only going to set it as food. The business location is the place that the business is. Description, if we add a description, it will show in the information. Images as well. For example, I will add this one. So I will show you where it shows. And a video. Right now, you need a YouTube URL link. So I don't have one on hand, so I will just leave it like that. Business schedule also. Here is. Now it's open all day, but you can add as many as needed or edit the ones that you have here. Notifications, we have emails and GPR sprinters. Here in emails, you set up the phone, the email, and the emergency phone that is going to have that is going to push in the that's going to show in the business information. The GPR printers, we have about 7 printers integrated in the software. So if you have one of these, you can allow the business to print the order like in a ticket, in a normal ticket, like a receipt, uh, in their printers in the kitchen or wherever you need to. And you just activate this, select the printer and do some setup. We have a guide for that. I will send it also over when once the video is over. We have payment methods. For example, right now we have only enabled cash, but you have current delivery, Stripe, PayPal, and more other types of Stripe in order to cover more like area on the map on the world. Here you have, for example, Alipay, Bank Contact, and some others. If you don't have a Stripe on your country, we can add some of those alternatives there. I will just leave cash right now. Now we have the channels. The slug is the one that we discussed already. We have also the pop-up and inline modes. The pop-up will allow you to put in every website in any website you like to put your business just by putting this in the body tag and do some changes in the divs. This is more like a developer's tool. Inline is the same. It will allow you, but it's going to be a full screen inside a website. Do a full block inside a page of a website. Webhooks. This is a tool that we use when you want to integrate another third party like Zapier. We have more. Tax Manager, a simple tax manager. Delivery pickup times to inform the customers that how long it takes to deliver or the pickup to be ready. Coupons, we can add one to test it to let you know how it works. Let's say free burger code, something like that. So the minimum to purchase for this code is going to be 5, and the limit, the times of use is going to be 10 times. And it's going to add a 4 in price as value of discount. You have to set up a timeline. I just put it over here, and it's going to end here. No, it's going to end here. Okay, we added. Discounts is for an automatic discount every time in your store. You can set it up also. Here you have the minimum purchase for the store to allow the customer to jump into the purchase. Service fee settings if you want to charge a fee for the use of their software. And a future business button to activate this business as future. It will show at the top of the business list. When you have a marketplace, there are some business that requires this and pay a little bit more, so you can do some business there. Now, as a customer, I will look for this store, right? Right now, because I am as a business owner, let me see the store. Did I miss something? Business, here is business menu, deliver and pickup. Oh, schedule Monday all day. Delivery zones. We are inside Manhattan. Let me just do this bigger. You can move it like this. Okay. Save it. Okay, just do the same. Notifications, everything seems fine. This is okay. Business food, location, Fifth Avenue. Just grab this location. Now let's see. I will look for a store here with this address. So here is the place, right? Display shows because I am inside the zone, and it tells here as the business information all the aspects of this store. Right now, delivery fee is 2, minimum order is 0, and so on. This banner is showing here because it's the default banner that I wanted to show on every restaurant that doesn't have a banner, right? Here we can also see my category that I just created, the product that I just created, and we can order some of these. Go in checkout. I can log in with Facebook, continue as a guest, or sign up. I will just continue as a guest right now. I will put my information here, mobile phone, any, and we have a code. We put the code, apply it. It will turn green if it's okay. It will turn red if it doesn't exist. So we can have some security there. The site also asks me about some more information of my place. So I will just say something like third floor apart IPT 2B, something like that. Delivery time can be changed in case something happened to the customer and wants to change the delivery time, cash, and you can set up a driver's tip. As a customer, this is what the customer will see, and he can place the order just like that. He will get notified with an email. If this is done through and the ordering app, he will get a push notification when the order is accepted. And as a super admin or business owner, the orders are managed here. This is the order that we just created, right? So now the order has to be accepted by business, and they can select a driver. Right now we don't have any drivers available, so I will just activate one. Let me show you. I click in admin area, more, delivery manager. We have this driver. Let me see settings. Everything seems fine. So maybe he has a limit on the orders he can have. Here, 5. Enable to let me know. Accepted. Okay. Everything seems fine here. I will open the delivery app here. Let's see. I will log in just like the driver. Maybe he's off. Okay. It's assigned. This one is assigned. Let's look for the other one. Accepted. Okay, now we can assign it. We have to turn the app on. And now the driver continues the process of selling, of delivering the order, right? They just accept the order, set up the delivery time, allow it, let the business and the customer to know when they arrive to business just by clicking this. Every change on the status of the order is showing here, so everyone knows what's happening with the order. Now the driver has to click pickup completed when he picks up the food, and then delivery complete when it is delivered to the customer, right? And now this order it's over, it's done. All the system is connected with sockets, so the information is instantly uh, changed on every aspect for the customer, for the business app, for the ordering aid, or for the driver, for anyone. So uh, basically, that is how to show your store in the business listing, and how to get an order finished with using the delivery app also. I don't know if you have any questions in the chat that I can help you with, or did I was too fast or something? Give me some feedback so I can help you. What do you think? Very straightforward platform. No questions? So I will jump into a question that I had before in the chat. Are you going to talk about how we upload, connect, or ordering app builder to our Play App Store console? Okay, to publish your app. So to answer Amr Barakat, uh, more like connecting your app, your developer accounts. You have to log in the accounts and then upload the IPA and APK files that are Android and iOS. Those are done by our team and delivered to you. If there's something missing there, I will help you out in just a couple of hours to let you know what's the status of your app and let you know what's next. Um, let's see what else we have. How to do only one business. So for one business, I will show you a tool that we use called Ordering Builder. Here is. The Ordering Builder is something. Let me log in here so I don't show the credentials. It's very important to save those. I will log in. Okay, here. So you will get something like this when your installation is done. It'll look something like this, but with your apps. So to make it to make it one store, the team has to activate a thing called single business. Single oh, this single business must be active, and then we have to put the ID of the store that you have. If you only have one, it is always 41 or something like that. So we just set up that ID over here, and that's it. After we set up these two fields, we have to click update here. It's very important that always that any change that you perform builder, you upgrade the version of the builder, and then update the latest changes, and then build the website. At the end of the day, with this change, it will show something like this, Christina. Single business. Let me see. What was the single business ordering? Let me show you here. I'm looking for an example that I can show you. I don't have it here. This is our website, so feel free to check everything up if you need to. Okay. Okay. Single business. Let me see. Click to try. Okay, this is the way it looks on the app. On the website, it'll look like the view from the store directly. For example, it'll look something like this when it's single business, and from this on, the process is the same. Okay, let's see another question. Is it possible to have multiple delivery zones? Yeah, of course, you can add as many as you need. You only have to go in your store, select the store. For example, let's use the demo again. Then click delivery zones, and here you can add as many as you need. The new business delivery zone 2. And if the zone is um, it's above the last one, it's like overlapping, the system will take the one that is um, for example, right now, let me set up a circle here, oh, I click escape, sorry, circle, so I can make this bigger. So for example, this is bigger than the last zone that we have, right? Than this one. But it covers, oh, let me make it bigger. This is the same actually. Something like that. If the customer is here, the system will know that it has to take these settings of this delivery zone. However, if the customer is here, the system knows that he has to take the other settings because maybe this delivery zone is cheaper and is closer to the customer, right? For example, one for pickup and then for delivery. Yeah, it's the same, Nick. Uh, you do it this way, and then you can set up the prices on the pickup and the delivery zones. Get hooked. Hi, Christina. You're welcome. Okay, what about? Okay, Nick and Ahmed. I think the question is the same. Is it possible to have a delivery minimum of 30, but for pickup no minimum purchase? Is it is it possible to have a delivery minimum? Yeah, so for pickup, it is going to show something like this. Here, pickup, and the delivery zone is gone. The delivery zone fee, the delivery fee is gone. So the zones are in order to show the stores, but it is not charging delivery fees. Okay, who asked that? Christina. So when the customer is selecting pickup, it won't take any the fee of delivery. However, in delivery, it will. This is automated also. It's already there because yeah, it's obvious not to charge delivery fee if it is pickup, but the delivery zone has to be there. It's like the coverage of the map. Can I do hot updates without uploading any hot updates? No. So every change that you perform in your ordering builder has to, in order to reflect all the changes in the ordering app on the devices or on the website, you have to create the new build because the in this case the browser has to gather some more information and the stores have to show the latest information. Yeah, for the apps, no hot updates. For example, if you change things in the ordering editor, like add a new business or something like that, it'll show on the apps. However, if you change, let's say, the background of the app, for example, this background, this splash image, you have to change it on the builder and then re-upload the app every time that you want to change that um, that aspect. Yep. I don't know if I answer if there's any doubts. What else do we have? That's it for now. Instant change, user interface. Instant change user. What do you mean by that, Amber? Okay, you got it? Great, great, great. Got you. Okay, so what else do we have? Any other questions about the web? We have an audience of 41 right now. I think it's very good. What do you think? Any other questions, guys? Ahmed Amr. If we have a lot of products, do we add manually or is it possible? A great question, Hotco. So let me show you how to upload many products. For example, here in the new store that we have, there are two options, right? You have here this spreadsheet mode will allow you to just create sheets here. I think this is the command for creating a new. Okay, we just put this to create a new spreadsheet. So I can show you how. So for example, the ID is always created automatically because it saves in the database and performs some work there, some already programmed work. So we just need name, description, price, and quantity.
name. Yeah, let me answer hot cover description. I will just put like that. Then we have price, quantity. So let's say I will just put some examples like this. Test, price 7. Quantity, if we have a stock, we can put any number there. I will just copy it like that, and this is going to be 2, this is going to be 3, and this is going to be 4. So like this, we copy this, paste it here, and it gets added, right? And the ID is saved here instantly, and it'll show in the way that you the more friendly way, right? So I just added 4 products. Take an example that you have a list. You only leave those 4 fields, and you can just copy and paste, and it'll be set here. Also, if you want to add pictures, you have to name the picture the ID of the item that you need, right? So the picture file will be named. Oh, let's try with this one. I have a hamburger here. This one will be named 1552. So like this, and then I just drag and drop it here. The system found one match. Now I need added here. So you name the pictures by the IDs of the products in the list, and that's it. Everything will get pasted here very easily. And after that, don't forget to add it in the business menus, right? Oh, here. You can add all or just disable some or anything. Okay, I don't know if that was clear, Hotco. Let me know. Can I have on the same sheet name in different languages? Can I have one on the same? What do you mean, Emmer? Can I have one on the same sheet name in different languages? Oh, okay. If I have, okay, so yeah, for that, Emmer, I understand now. When the platform is multi-language, you will have the products here, and then you have to change the. Let's just say, oh, we have a lot. Let's just say Spanish because I know the language, and then you have to change this, right? In order for one language to be showing this and the other one to be showing without the ESP that I just wrote. English here. It has some cache, but at the front end it'll show when the customer selects Spanish. It'll show the when you selected this, just edit all this in Spanish, and it'll show in Spanish on the front, and when it's English, it'll show all English in the front, just like that. And then yeah, you can upload the spreadsheet mode in English and then in Spanish. No, a global one, no, there's no. Currently, there's no way. You have to interlap in between languages. So, Amber, that was the question. Christina, can I upload two more? Currently, we don't have a gallery feature. We are working on one though. Um, it'll be like a gallery, just a simple gallery, which we allow you to upload 2 or 3 images, which is perfect. We think for clothes, to show like the different sides of the clothing. But currently we don't have it. We don't have it. Also very important, guys. Any feature that we don't currently have that is under development and you need it to be in your platform, we can create it for you. We have a custom custom department, so our developers take care of making your dreams come true. For example, if you want the gallery right now activated, we have to do some development in order to make it work, but we can make it. It has a fee. It is $49 per hour of development. So, for example, if the gallery feature costs 2 hours, it'll be 2 hours times two 49, and so on. We deliver in well. We set the delivery time on every custom work, and everything is there. So anything you need, it's done there. Is there much more setup to get the? Is there much more setup involved to get the driver using? So Nick, to your question, no, actually, once you fill the form, uh, we basically do everything, but the upload in the stores and the listing in the stores. So it's very it's very easy. Um, After you deliver the forms, there might be some things that we are going to take a little bit more time, such as creating the right splash images to be looking good on any size of device. But we deliver the apps in less than 10 working days. So after that, it's just a matter of time of the stores to to accept it and everything. We help you all in all that process also, because we understand that sometimes it might be like tricky. We have guides, we have the knowledge base with every article of how to do them. But if you feel like you're getting stuck, our support department is working there for you. So it'll be it'll be easy. Much more setup is not a barrier here. So don't worry about it, Nick. We'll get it done. Hotco Holdings. Let's see. In the builder web, where do I change the homepage text and color? How do I say? So to change any text in your platform, any text that you see here. Let's say for example, let's say for example, the "We Get What You Love" title, right? You have to log in as a super admin in order to see the orders, sorry, the language manager module. We click in admin area, more, uh, language manager. This is how to change the text, right? Then we look for the text here. We get what you love. Then we add the thing that we want us to say. Let's say hotco. We got you love hotco. So after we perform this change, we just have to log out, clear the cache. It's very important to clear the cache to see the changes when we do this kind of changes, because it takes a while for the browsers to save it. So it keeps saying the other thing. Let me just try Firefox. I will try another browser in order to see the changes faster. Open. What was that? Okay, here it is. I don't know what happened. Let's try it out. Let me just clear this. So as you can see here, the browser has never seen this page, so it didn't save cache. But this one shows the change that we just made. So it'll reflect the changes in just a few minutes. So everything runs smoothly. You know, that's the way to change things. The text, every text. You don't have to rebuild anything. To change the colors in the builder, we have this section that says colors. There are two colors that we can change easily: the primary and the text button color. So the text of the buttons is white right now, there's a circle white, but it doesn't have borders, so imagine it's white. And then we have the pink one, which is the oh, I'm in different builders, but this primary here is the green one, right? And don't worry, Hotk. So this is the green one. We have the primary, which is the green, and the all the green things that you see is the primary. Okay. What else do we have in the builder? Where do I change my home page? Oh, that's already settled. How much is price? It's 49 per hour for custom work. Great support. Thank you very much. Get hooked. Can you demonstrate how to change the images lower third on the home page? Let me get you another demo. Okay, no, this one will work. Let's say, for example, because this one has a little bit of custom work. Let me look for the one that we have here. So I will explain you the builder really quickly because we're running out of time. Okay. This is a demo that we have here. Let me just .ordering.co. Your domain will be here, so don't worry about it. We just have to do a little settings and that's it. So do you mean this one get hooked or something else? In the meantime, get hooked answered. Amber, to exclude a text. Okay, yes, he said yes. Let me answer get hooked first. To change that phone image, you have to get in your builder, click on images here, then come here to look for a thing called home phone images. Where is it? Where is it? Here. This is the image that is showing here. I mean, here we don't have any images, but it's showing the default ones that we have. So in the meantime, you change it, it is showing the default one, which is this one. So that is where you change it. You change this image, make sure to be in this resolution, and then update the images, and then build the website, just like any change. Please, awesome, Nick. Thank you. Whenever. Oh, Omer, that's the way to change get hooked. So, Omer, let's see. To change a specific test, a good thing here is that we give you all the looks of your all the files of your website and apps looks. So for that you have to download a file, do some changes in the code, upload it again, and it'll do the changes in the front. I will work on some more lessons with that later on. Right now I will just explain you like that. I will send you some the guides for it. Developers, here is it, files, and I will show you here. For example, here you have the customize your homepage. You can take a look, Amber. Please, the section with the devices and the apps. Yeah, get hooked. That was where the text can be changed in the language manager, and the download your apps, and the images also there in the builder. Is there anything I should do I need? No, Nick, you don't need Google Maps integration. That is already integrated, so don't worry about it. We just need you to create an account. That's it. You create an account in Google Maps. Google Maps. Actually, let me send you the article on how to create it. We have that already done. So Google Maps here. You create it, and when we are getting the installation, we set that up, so you don't have to worry about it. Here's a link, Nick. Is it possible to see a sign up form first? Sign up for what do you mean by that, Nick? How do I see our homepage? Hotco, are you a single business website? Those are the last two questions I will answer. And the other ones, feel free to send me an email at mauricio@ordering.co. I might take about 24 to 36 hours to answer because we are very crowded with work, but I will help you out for sure. Or I will assign some of our support team to help you out. We're here for you guys. I just need to know, what does Nick and Hotcom mean? I couldn't understand that. Multi-store. Oh, do you have a thing called? You might have a thing called closest business in your website, which, as the name says, it redirects you to the closest business for you as a customer. Closest. So it'll look like this. Hotco. So getting your builder, disable this. Don't forget to update the settings, the new settings, and build the website. That'll do. That will do the work, and your homepage won't show because if you're logged in, the system already knows your address, so it saves you one step and redirects you to the business listing according to your address. If you are logged out, the system sends you to the homepage. That is why. So what else we have? Is it possible to see sign up form first? What is that, Nick? The installation form of your website, it's it's sent after the purchase because it requires the buy. You know, it's business. I don't know if you have any more questions, guys. That's it for today. Tomorrow, I'll be covering some more lessons in order to learn how to use ordering software. How can I change the standard location? To change the standard location number, here we have the default address street. You change this, update, and build, just like everything. Okay, guys, it was nice chatting with you and helping you with your questions. If there's anything else I can help you with, just send us an email, a ticket, live chat. We have everything. You can get in touch with us in every way. Okay. See ya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Talk to you soon.